Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of ex into 10 inverse x plus 1 upon 1 plus x squared. So for this type of question, simple trick is what? There is a simple formula. If there is any integration in the form of ex into suppose function of x and plus f dash of x dx, then your answer will be simply what? That is ex into function of x. So applying this technique formula, so integration of ex 10 inverse x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So derivative of 10 inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So ex into function plus derivative. So direct answer will be what? That is ex into function is what? 10 inverse x. So our answer is ex into 10 inverse x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of x square plus 1 into ex divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? If any equation in the form of ex into any function given plus derivative of that function dx, then our answer will be ex into given function plus c. So here our question is what? That is integration. At ex take common and just arrange this number. So x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So we can write what? So we can write here x square minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. And this is what? Plus 1. So this is what? So here plus 1, here we have written minus 1. So 1 plus also. So they say 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. And this is what? That is dx. So we can write this ex into x plus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1 upon x plus 1. And plus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. So when you see that, that is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 derivative. So what is the derivative of this function? You will get 2 upon x plus 1 square. So you know derivative of any function which is given in the u by v form. So u by v form is what? That is derivative of numerator into denominator. And then minus derivative of numerator into derivative of denominator upon x plus 1 whole square. So you will get 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. So derivative of this function is this. So we can write direct ex into function that is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. So this is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of x log 280. So for this type of question, we can use what? Integration by parts. Because here function is given in the product. So first function is x and second is what? Log 2. So we know well. So this is the tricky format for making first function and second function. Islet. So islet means what? Inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So here x is what? Algebraic and log 2x is what? That is logarithmic. So logarithmic first, algebraic second. So this is the first function and this is the second function. Now rule is what? So left the first function, that is log 2x. Integration of second, that is x dx. Minus integration. Derivative of what? That is the first function. So that is what? Log 2x. Into integration of what? That is second function. So x dx. And total is what? That is integration. So we can write easily integration of x square by 2. So x square by 2 and this is what? Log 2x. Minus derivative of log 2x is what? You know log x is 1 by x. So this is 1 by 2x into chain rule. Yani, so 2x derivative is what? That is only 2. And now integration of x dx is what? X square by 2 dx. So this 2 and this 2 cancel and this 1x and 1x cancel. So we will get what? This is x square by 2 log 2x minus that is half is common. Integration is what? That is only x dx. So we will get what? X square by 2 and this is log 2x minus half into x square by 2 plus c. So our direct answer is x square by 2 log 2x minus x square by 4 plus c. This is our correct answer.